If you want to make the setup for the method of payments, to create new method of payments or edit the current method of payments related to account receivable and customers, from account receivable, payment setup, method of payment, click new, enter here the method of payments, for example, online. Here, the description is mandatory, which will be online payment, transfer, okay. And the payment type here is mandatory, is other electronic payment, check, bill of exchange, credit card. I will select electronic payments. Here, this is a mandatory setup. If you click save, you can use this setup for the method of payments. So again, when you create new method of payments, enter the name for the method of payments, the description, and select the payment type. Is very important to select the payment type which relate to this method of payments. There's another setup here. You can see here also the payment status. What's the payment status which require to generate the payment file? If you are generating payment files to bank directly, there is integration between you and the bank. So here, what is the payment status in order to generate the payment? Here, period, it give you an options. If invoice, so it will use specific invoice number. Date, it will accumulate all invoice for a specific date. Week, it will accumulate all invoice for a specific week. Total, it will accumulate all dues, all invoices, whatever the due date for these invoices. Grace period, here you can enter the number of days which can be added to the due date or cash discount date. Here, payment type as you explained. Under general, here the file, you can here write the last file number as general, and today by default, while you are making it, generate a payment files to banks, so it will be updated here. Here, posting, what is the posting type for the account which will use the generate bank payment to bank. So here you can select by default the bank, and here what is which bank account you can. If you have multiple bank accounts, you have to select which bank account which will use this method of payment. Here, if you need to assign a specific bank transaction type, you can assign. If you need bridging posting to bridging post to bank account, you can select this and select from here what is the bridge bank account, okay, or bridging account ledger account. Also here is the file setup for the file format for the integrated file to bank accounts to bank online. Here some payment control you have to select if you want, which related to the setup and generate the file. Here payment attributes also. Once you finish, click save. So again, if you want to create new method of payments from accounts receivable, payment setup, method of payment, click new. Here the name, for example, will be here, enter the code, the description here, I enter the credit cards, and here is the payment type. It's important is credit card, and click save. Once you finish, click close this screen. You can also add all required and make all required stuff as per your needs. Once you finished, click close. So now you created the method of payments in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Thank you.